In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in Outlook 2025. Let's dive right in so you can start building and organizing your contacts list effectively. First, make sure you have the Outlook application open. If you are not already logged in, you'll need to do so. Head over to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see the sign in option. Click on this to start the login process. You'll need to enter your email address and password associated with your Outlook account. Make sure you're entering the correct details to avoid any issues. Secure this information properly to maintain access without any hitches. Once you're logged in, you'll want to locate the people icon. You'll find this on the left side of your screen. This icon is your gateway to all the contact management tools that Outlook has to offer. Clicking here will take you directly to the contacts page. On the contacts page, look out for the Add a Contact button. This is prominently displayed and easy to find. Click on it to start entering your new contact's details. The first set of information you'll need to input is the contact's first and last name. Make sure to spell these correctly as this information identifies the person you're adding. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the email address of the person you're adding. This is crucial, especially if you'll be engaging with the person primarily through email. Double check for any typos because an incorrect email address will prevent you from successfully communicating with this contact. Additionally, you can add a mobile phone number. This step is particularly useful if you ever need to call or text the person. Having all modes of communication at your disposal can streamline your interactions significantly. Besides, if the contact is a professional associate, adding their company name can also be helpful for your records. This little detail can come in handy for professional networking purposes. Another optional field you might find useful is the notes section. This is where you can add any extra information about the person. Whether it's their job title, where you met them, or any other relevant information, notes can serve as valuable reminders for future interactions. Finally, once you've entered all the details you need, you're going to want to save the information. Click on the Save button to complete the process. And there you have it, a new contact added to your Outlook. This method is both simple and efficient, allowing you to manage your communication network with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you with organizing your contacts list in Outlook. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos.